These cute little crochet hats have been all over the K-pop world, and I'm going to attempt to make one because I have a K-pop concert coming up in T-minus like less than 24 hours. So back in grade school, this one teacher, God bless her soul, hosted a crochet club, and basically whatever student wanted to sign up for it could, and I was one of those students. So after school some days we would go and learn how to crochet, and much like dance, I think that the muscle memory held on because I still know how to crochet till this day. Am I the best at it? No, but we're gonna save money where we can. But this is where I'm at right now. I'm doing a cute like black and white pattern. I'm pretty sure it fits around my head. Really want it to be like the cat ear one because I think that'd be so cute, and I'm really hoping I can finish this before tomorrow, please.